That's what I'm trying to say. Now, there's other ways of doing this too. I'm not trying to say push anything on you. It was a suggestion because it sounded like you're tired of doing this.
Well,
That's
the issue though is if I sell it, then I own nothing of whatever the company becomes versus being able to still have something in it, and because then it doesn't matter because then I'll feel even worse if I sell it and it turns out somebody's able to turn it into a large scale company. That's not then it doesn't do it does me even less good to do that than it does to hang on to it because at least a base minimum I have something with my name on it and I can always move it around to something else. But if I sell it, then I've got nothing left in it.
sure, sure.
That's
But at this
I mean,
point,
I
you don't have
understand what
anything to offer the person either. Like there's nothing to offer the person that you're coming in to do your marketing or do anything for you. Like there's no payment coming from it, there's no check that's coming from it, and there's no product, there's no service line, there's no base cost analysis. Like there's nothing here. You don't have a business. You've got a set of accounts that have a following, but there's nothing in this plan that I've seen so far that actually generates income. None, nothing.
then I have no way to generate income in this
Okay,
town. I
then you
can't
don't have
find
a
a job. I
business.
can't find
You don't have a business. You have a hobby, is what you've got. You got to understand the difference, man. Okay. A hobby is something that you do, you spend your time on, it doesn't make enough to live on. This is what you've got. You've been spending it a long time trying to make a business. It didn't turn into a business. The business is very clear. It has a legal structure. You've gone and you've set it up, right? You went to the state, you went to the city, you did something. You opened up a bank account in that company's name. It has its own EIN, its own tax number, all that kind of stuff. And then it has something to generate income. That's what a business is. A business is not turning on the camera, making a post, and then getting a bunch of people to like it. That's not a business. It's a freaking social media account. Now, if you have actually put together a plan that gets people to come and give you money, it's a structured plan, then you have a business. But you have not told me that yet. You said you want somebody else to go do all that shit. What you did is spend a bunch of time making a bunch of posts that have generated a whole bunch of people that look at it but don't do anything. So what benefit does somebody actually have to come and help you if you're not paying them? That one day if they do all the work, then they'll get paid? Man, you got to think of something else or get the fuck out of this and let somebody over that can do it move in and do it. I'm not trying to be offensive. I'm telling